Good morning, children. In today's English class, we will have a quick recap of lesson number 1 of MCB, that is Tom Sawyer's Toothache. So, this story is taken from the novel The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written by Mark Twain. This is a story of an imaginative and mischievous boy, Tom, who lived with Aunt Polly, his half brother Sid, and Mary. Tom does not like to go to school and makes different excuses to stay at home, usually on Monday mornings. The story is about a Monday morning only. He lays in bed thinking of an excuse to stay at home. Tom thought he could find some colicky symptoms, which means stomach pain, but he finds none. He finds that one of his upper front teeth was loose, but another moment he thought Aunt Polly would pull it out and it would hurt. So he pretended that he has a sore toe. Children, pretended means that he acted as if it was true. He pretended so hard that he cried loudly and woke up Sid, who was sleeping beside. So Sid flew downstairs and said, Aunt Polly, come fast, Tom is dying. On listening this, Aunt Polly rushes upstairs with Sid and Mary. She asked Tom, what's the matter? Tom said that his toe is mortified, which means his toe has no strength. She understands everything quickly and tells him to climb out of the bed immediately. Tom felt a little foolish and his pain vanished. Now he speaks the truth about his toothache. So Aunt Polly asked Mary to get her a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen. As soon as she brings the dental instruments, that is a silk thread and a chunk of fire, Aunt Polly ties his loose tooth with the silk thread, making a loop with the bedpost, which means an upright support of bed. Then as she brings the chunk of fire near his face, Tom removes his face with a jerk and the tooth comes out. Then Tom goes to school and shows his tooth to his close friends. After reading this chapter, you have to start with the notebook work, and the first work is the lesson 1 new words. You have to put the starting line first, and the first word is miserable, second is pretended, third is aggravated, fourth is trembled, investigated, symptoms, groaned, mortified, outrageousness, seized. Now turn the page and we have to start. Now we have to start with the word meanings. First one is, we have 13 word meanings in this chapter, but we have selected only 10. First one is miserable, which means unhappy. Second is ailment, an illness, typically a minor one. Colicky symptoms, stomach pain. Pretended means acted as if something was true when it was not true. Groaned, cried in pain and despair. Aggravated, angry or displeased. Mortified means with no strength. Acts, pains, awfully, terribly, buddies, close friends. Children, after doing word meanings, you have to do question answers also from the school website. You have to do make sentences also after each work, as we used to do in class 3rd. So you have to make sentences with these words. First one is foolish. Second one is trembled. Third one is celebrated. So please finish the work. Till then, till the next video, goodbye.